So the idea here is we'll first define a tag, and in this tag we'll just see, for example, we have this question right over, and we'll just see if the starting or if the element on our I, which means we will iterate through this, and if we'll see if it is from any of these three parentheses, bracket and square brackets. If any of the element is these three, we'll just push these element into our array, into a stack, sorry, and it will be like this element, then this, then this. We'll keep checking and we'll keep pushing. Similarly, if we'll ever encounter the closing bracket, parentheses and square braces and the square brackets, what we'll do, we'll check if the top of the element, for example, here we have this and square bracket, and now I have encountered the closing square bracket, so I'll check if top of the square bracket is equals to what bracket I have encountered. If these two are equal, then I'll not do anything, then I'll just pop it. Then I'll just pop this element that yes, this is equal, I'll just pop it. For example, for some reason these are not equal, like if we have question something like this and this, like here it will have this curly braces one and the square bracket one, and now we have encountered the closing parenthesis. Closing parenthesis is not equals to our square bracket. So if it is not equal, here are these three condition. Like for example, if the closing parenthesis, closing curly one and the closing square bracket is not equals to the top of the element, like if they are differing, if closing and top of the stack are not same, then will just return false. Similarly here also, if the stack is empty, we'll just return false. So in all these cases, false will be written if the top didn't match the stack. But if it matched, for example here it's square bracket and it's square bracket here also, if this match, we'll just pop it. We'll keep popping it, until it returns, will hit the end of the array. And after popping each element, we'll just return here as pop, and if it is empty, we'll return true, else we'll return false. For example, after popping this, for example, this is empty, the stack is empty after popping. What will return this, that yes, the given parentheses were equal, because it will only pop when all the elements filled in this are equal to the rightmost element, which means when this is equals to this, when opening closing, like similarly, then this will return the empty array, like then it will empty the stack. So the basic idea what we have is we need to declare an array, or we need to declare a stack, and for example our question is something like this, and then we need to enter each element, we need to push each element into a stack, then similarly push this, like you have pushed this, then push this element into a stack. After that we'll check if it is something closing, like if it is curly braces, if it's parenthesis, if it is square bracket, we'll check if it's closing, then what's on the top of the stack. If it's similar to our element, like if these two are similar, we will pop and we'll keep popping until the array goes empty.